Turtle Chaser's just lightning run, but out of control.
Right. I like going to like, you have the whole ride, you get like twists and turns.
Right.
My bars are now locked.
All clear.
All clear. Let me hear some noise if you're ready, Rod. Thunder, run.
Woo! Yeah!
Don't forget the braking on the way down.
All right. So we're back on Thunder Run. We just took a spin in the back, and now we are in the front. This is a mirror image of Carowinds. It's a mirror image of Hurler at Carowinds. Looks like they did some track work to it as well. But there are a couple of noticeable differences. I think Hurler has a couple more airtime moments, but this one's actually not that bad. Oh, they got the little boats. Splash down. Here we go, everyone. I actually like this more in the front than I did in the back. I thought the back shuffled a lot more. The front, well, you get to really like experience everything, the rush and the wind in your face. And those airtime hills are really strong with the absence of the trim over there. This is a front row ride, easily a front row ride.
Welcome back, riders. How was the second time riding the coaster?
Even
So
better.
fun. We'll take it.
Woohoo!
Alright, those light bars are now unlocked. You push down, pull up.